Hi everyone, welcome to the Dave's World YouTube channel. So I had a lot of people contact me because they wanted the parts that I was making for Gen 1 and Gen 2 Cruzes, so I decided to start a website called supercruises.com.
Hey everyone, I have a really cool package for the Super Cruises website. A lot of people with a Gen 2 Cruze have a problem where the cylinder 1 piston pretty much basically cracks and then you lose compression and the car has a lot of problems. So this kit updates the pistons in your engine to the best version of the pistons you can get. These are the I think they're called hyperkinetic or something like that. I forget the name, but they're a better version of the pistons. So for example, if you're a car that you have, like let's say a 2016 or a 17, and you have the old style pistons and you're worried about them cracking, you can get this kit and it'll give you pretty much the majority of everything you need. I may add some stuff to the kit as I go along. But these are the pistons that don't have the cracking problem. These are straight from General Motors. There's even the marking on them from General Motors. So let's say you're a car and you have a cracked piston, then this kit will give you pretty much everything you need. Like here's the piston rings you need for each piston. You know, they come in their own boxes. You get the pistons, you get the wrist pins, you get the locks for the wrist pins. Each piston will have their own. You get the head gasket, you get all the head bolts, you get the different seals for the different parts that have to come off the head, like the valve cover gasket, timing cover gasket. You get the intake manifold gasket. I might be adding to this as I go along, but this is pretty much the majority of what you need to do the job on the engine. And I wanted to make it easy for everybody, and I thought this would be a pretty cool kit that I'll be adding to the website. Pretty much, there's about 90% of what you need. You know, the rest of the stuff you might be able to get at AutoZone, or just keep watching and I'll keep adding stuff to the kit to make it better and better. But I just want to let everybody know what I was doing for everyone. Also, I want everybody to take note, Cruze Missile has an engine that's running 45 psi, and I've dynoed in the 300s range. I'm not going to tell you the exact number because I'm working on a video series right now, and my pistons are perfectly fine. And one of the reasons is I'm running 115 octane because I run methanol injection. A lot of times when I see people having problems with the earlier piston design, it's because of the octane. A lot of people are running like 87 octane. Sometimes they're running a bad mixture of E85.
I just want to stop the video right here for a second and explain that I've also seen a lot of people run some crappy oil. I mean, I talk to people that have blown engines, and I find out that they're doing oil changes every like 12,000 miles. Another thing I do in Cruze Missile is I change my oil pretty much every 3,000 miles plus 115 octane, and I haven't had a problem, and I have one of the engines that is known to have cracking.
Really, you have to make sure you have a lot of octane for turbocharged engines, especially little ones like a 1.4 liter. So keep that in mind whenever you're doing anything to these cars. High octane is better.